Countywise is a website Jill and I created, and it's free.
Steven did this.
I said Jill and I when I really mean me.
It's because it was replacing when tax sale lists got sold, and we couldn't get our hands on the data, and everybody had to get their own, pay for it, whatever. Steven said, we'll just pay for it once. I'll get, and incorporated that with much more data. It started with that thing, with that site. Anyway, yeah, thank you. Neil says I use it in every mailer. So anyway, Steven went out and created this website for us. It's just there for all of us to use and love, and thank you.
Here's Arizona in the, what is it, 15 counties?
Funny. Does it even say that it has anything to do with Land Academy on there?
Anywhere? No, actually we
kind of should.
Oh, here it is. Well, it's got the logo.
No one, just a thought.
Here's Mojave County. I know Mojave County's historically got a lot of, you can see here, square miles, year organized, people per square mile. Census tract information if you want to dig real deep. Here's the population density maps. I don't know why everyone should know that we own this, and it's a tool. It's got to be on your dashboard, right?
If not, it will be on the dashboard. I'm going to make sure that we have.
And so here's the back tax situation, all tabled out. This is good. Here's Mojave. I'm going to scroll down to Mojave County. I hope you can see it. Here's the back tax situation. You can see there's 20,000 properties in the back tax auction. So that's a lot compared to what's historically low, like Yuma.
At least we have that running along the bottom. But
that's good.
Okay, good.
So Yuma's got in 13, 14, 15, 16, 1,800 to 10. Neither one of these things would stop me from sending a mailer out. And there's counties in California and other places that, they have 6. Utah, northern Utah and Idaho and stuff historically have had 3 back tax properties that go to sale per year. And that doesn't stop any of us from mailing those counties.
Mm-hmm.
All it is a gauge. If you go to Wayne County, Michigan, and look at back tax properties, go ahead, Jill, and take over. Wayne County, Michigan, which is where Detroit is, there's thousands and tens of thousands of properties that are for sale for nothing. And I wouldn't talk about not touching a useless man. I wouldn't touch that.
Mm-hmm.